Hi guys, today we bring to you a lot of bottoms from our collection, and first one are these pure cotton gota work plazo pants. The length of these pants is 41 inches and the bottom width is 15 inches. So they are basically plazos. Let me just bring to you the close up of these pants. So this one has this gotapati work in both silver and golden color, and the pattern is basically till the bottom half. This one has more of a design, and this has gota in the light gold color. I'll just bring you to the close up of this work. Both the plazos have an elasticated belt, so they can be adjusted to any waist size. They are in pure cotton and there's no lining inside because they don't require any, and they're very comfortable for the summer season. Next we have for you are these sharara pants in these two beautiful colors. One is this peach pink color and the other one is this gray. Both of them have the same design pattern, and they have gota work. Again, they are in cotton, but then they are in cotton silk and they don't have any lining attached. They also have the elasticated waists like the first plazos, so they can be adjusted to any waist size. They have a length of about 40 inches and the bottom width is around 29 inches, so they are huge gheras. So basically, you may call them shararas, you may call them divided skirts. They look very beautiful with short kurtas. I'll just get you to the closer. And this fabric is cotton silk. If you can make out, then the fabric has a little bit of shine, and inside again you can see that there's no lining. Now we bring to you these two sets of shararas. They are in pure cotton and they both have different patterns. If you can see, this one is in cream color or the off-white color, and it has this gota work. If you can see that it is stitched in different layers, and it has these plazo pants attached with these beautiful big round gota, and it's in malmal cotton, and it also does not have any lining inside, but then it's made in two layers. So basically, you don't need any lining. It is very good for the summer season. The length of this one is around 42 inches and ghera is like very huge. It's approximately 50 inches of ghera on the outer, and the plazo pants must be somewhere around like 17 inches. Coming to this one, it's in the printed block print fabric, pink combination of pink and white. Again, it has this beautiful gota work with these gota tassels. It does not have an elasticated belt, but then it has this adjustable belt which can be adjusted with a dory. The length of this one is around 39 inches and it has a ghera of I think 27 inches. If you need any specific measurements of any of these shararas or plazos or any bottoms, please DM us, or you can drop us a message on 9966670041. So you can drop us a WhatsApp message on 9966670041. This is a chicken work skirt in pure cotton. It's in hand chicken work, and again it has an elasticated belt. I'll just give you a close-up of how the work is. The fabric is pure cotton and it is made in Kali pattern. It does not have any lining attached, but you will need a some kind of lining with it, so you'll have to get it done on your own. Just bring you to more close up of the work. And all these bottoms are very reasonably priced, and they're perfect for the coming summers. Length of the skirt is roughly over 40 inches. You can say about 40.5 inches. All of them are only bottoms, so you can just order any of them if you like. If you want, we can team them up with any of the kurtas of your choice. So just DM us or WhatsApp us with your queries. Another in the skirt pattern is this gota work skirt in Chanderi. It does not have an elasticated belt, but then it has this adjustable Nara belt. The length of the skirt is around 41.5 inches, and it has all handwork gota pattern. It's in this beautiful sunny yellow color. This one has a lining attached and it's ready to wear, and you don't need anything. So that's like the close-up of the work. The fabric is Chanderi. More in the plazo pants are these different kind of plazo pants we have. The length of all of them are approximately 40 inches. All of them have an elasticated belt. This one is in cotton silk fabric, and it has this leather work teamed up with the gota work. Again, there's no lining, but then you don't require any lining with this one. These are fulkari pants, and it's a hand fulkari with this tikki work. Fabric is Chanderi, and they're beautiful, overall colorful pants, which you can team it up with any of the plain kurtas. This one is in Georgette fabric. This is also pre-stitched with zari work on the bottom. It also has a lining with it. All of them have the bottom width around 13-14 inches. The Georgette one has a bottom width of around 16 inches. So you can order any of these bottoms separately. You just need to DM us or WhatsApp us on 9996670041. We can even help you with all your stitching requirements and any of the queries you have regarding the measurements. We can even suggest you different kind of kurtas and dupattas that'll go along with this one, with all of these. So you may just drop us a message and we are all there to help you out. Hope you guys like our bottoms and whole of the collection of bottoms, and we look forward to hear from you. Thank you so much.